Hello everyone, look what I've got. I've got the Chic Sparrow from Gemini for Harvey. And I can't believe it. It's actually Sunday and this came just before 5 o'clock on a Sunday. Nothing ever happens on a Sunday in Noosa, especially parcels getting delivered. But I'm glad they did. So I couldn't wait any longer. It's getting a bit dark. So hopefully you can see what this looks like. My husband's saying, wait till tomorrow. I said, no, I'm not waiting till tomorrow. There we go. It's in here. Oh, I got a sticker. What is it? Oh. Ooh. And a new card. Oh, that's, there you go, look at that. That's where I keep my sprocket and everything. Oh, how's that? Oh, that's excellent. And I love the little bird. Oh, she's pretty. Okay, let's see. I have been wanting one of these for a very, very long time. As you know, I have my Maverick. And this has softened up beautifully. It's heavy, but oh, it's beautiful. And I keep on reaching for this one. So I've been using this for about 5-6 months now, and I love it. So here we go. Da 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 da. Oops. Oh, that's really nice. I like the stitching too. I was a bit worried about the stitching, because I do like the contrast in the stitching, although my Maverick isn't contrast, it's brown like the journal, but this is beautiful. Oh, this is really nice. This is an A4. I didn't get the pockets. I find that I don't really use the pockets that much, and for this one, I'm actually going to be doing my memoirs in here. So it's just purely going to be for writing. And yeah, this is so much lighter as well. Wow, gee, it feels light. You can sort of see a little bit of stitching with the machine, but I'd say that would disappear after a while. Oh, look at it. It's beautiful. I was a bit worried because when you see them on YouTube, some of them look really washed out and then some look really yellow. I didn't want anything yellow. The stitching is a bit golden, but I do like that. It's not overly golden. It looks very natural. Oh, I want to roll it. Oh, look at it. Oh, I do. I think I will. I think I'm actually going to roll this one. I like the smoothness of it, but I like it when it looks like a wrinkly old man. So I think I will roll it. Oh, I just want to see if my Monty Grappa. I love this pen. That was a very special pen I got for Christmas. And I use it quite a bit. Yes. And it fits in there beautifully as well. Oh, I love it. This one kind of, it folds in. It doesn't sit out so much like the others. I like that. Beautiful. Well, when my new book comes, and I'm putting in my new insert when it comes, because I actually make all my own inserts, but this time I treated myself and bought one. So when that comes, I'll get that set up and start using it. But yeah, it's beautiful. It's got a few little marks and striations in it, not too many, just a couple, but I love the colouring of it. It's absolutely stunning. Yep, I'm gonna roll it. Oh, should I roll it now? No, yes. Oh, I don't know. Let me see. I'll just do a little corner and see. People are probably screaming, going, no, don't roll it. Yes, roll it. Oh yeah, that's gonna roll beautifully. That's gonna soften up so nicely. It is, oh yeah. Look, that's just a little bit, and you can already see the wrinkles in it. That's gonna look gorgeous. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Now I can't wait for my other little book to come that I can put inside of it, my insert. I won't pull all this out and put everything in because that's my journal that I actually brain dump everything in there. So when it comes, I'll set it up and I'll maybe squeeze it in when I'm doing another little video. Okay, I hope you love it. You can see the difference in the colour. It is an A4. You can see the difference. Hopefully it's picking up okay under this artificial light, but I couldn't wait until the morning. Okay, thanks guys, have a great night. Bye.